Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to use about the chain rule of the derivative. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have n8 to the power of n minus 1. Later that we need to do first the derivative of 8. And the next one that is about the power rule of the derivative. So if we do first the derivative of s to the power of n, we have like this. Now we can apply the formula in here. So we have number 2, I will put number 2 cone here. So if we do first the derivative, we have number 2s to the power of 3 plus s to the power of 2 minus 1. Later that we need to do first the derivative of this one. So 2 minus 1, we have number 1. First derivative of s to the power of 3, we have 3s squared. This one represents about s to the power of number 1. So 1 minus 1, you got number 0. And this is about number 1. Number 2 with number 3, we have number 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.